Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a section B question from Polynomials chapter. Find the zeros of the polynomial p of x equal to x square plus 4 over 3x minus 4 over 3. So in this question we have to find the zeros or solutions or roots of the given polynomial. So let us rewrite this given question. Now here the first step would be to get a common LCM. So here we can see that the denominator is 3. But x squared does not have a denominator. So let us write it as over 1. And now we are going to multiply the numerator by 3 and denominator also by 3. So here we get 3x square plus 4x minus 4. Now we get a common denominator as 3. Now this can be also written as 1 over 3 times 3x square plus 4x minus 4. Now once we have got this, let us try to factorize this bracket. Now to factorize it, we have to multiply the coefficient of x square with the constant. That is 3 times 4 gives us negative 12. Now we have to find out the factors of negative 12 in such a way that when you multiply the factors, you should get negative 12. And when you add them, you should get positive 4. So one combination of the factors you can get here is 6 and negative 2. Because 6 times negative 2 gives us negative 12 and 6 minus 2 gives us plus 4. So factorizing this, we get 1 over 3 times 3x square. Now in place of 4x, we have split it up as plus 6x and minus 2x minus 4. Now let us group the terms. That is, we are going to group the first two terms and the last two terms. And now we have to take out the common factors from the first group. So we can see that 3x is a common factor between 3x square and 6x. So we have taken 3x as a common factor times. Now once we have taken out 3x, in the first term remains x plus in the second term remains 2. Now in the second group we have taken negative 2 as a common factor. So once we have taken it out, inside the bracket remains x plus 2. Now further simplifying this, we get here 1 over 3 times. Now the two factors are 3x minus 2 and x plus 2. Now since we have to find out the zeros of the polynomial, we are going to take these factors and equate them equal to 0. So here we have written 3x minus 2 equal to 0 and x plus 2 equal to 0. Now here taking negative 2 on the other side of equal to sign, we get 3x equal to 2, and taking 3 on the other side of equal to sign, we get x equal to 2 over 3. And over here taking positive 2 on the other side of equal to sign, we get x equal to negative 2. So here the zeros of the given polynomial are going to be x equal to 2 over 3 and x equal to negative 2. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.